Namaste and a warm welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we are diving into the world of indulgence with a classic dessert chocolate mousse. This rich and airy delight is a perfect blend of creamy chocolate and light fluffy textures, quick and very easy to make and perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. First we begin by separating the egg yolks and whites into two bowls. In a small pot, let's start by adding the egg yolks and 1/3 cup of sugar. Beat this mixture until it turns pale and creamy. Next, gradually introduce 1½ cups of whipped cream. Stirring continuously, aim for a smooth, velvety consistency. Now gently cook this mixture over low heat. It's crucial to keep a careful eye on it. Remember, we are not cooking it, just warming it up. Once the mixture is just heated through, turn off the heat. For the chocolate, feel free to use any type of dark chocolate you prefer, whether it's a chocolate chips or a bar broken into pieces. Choose a chocolate that you love. Add a cup of it into the warm yolk mixture. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted. Then set it aside to cool, allowing it to become barely warm to the touch. In another large bowl, let's add the egg whites and mix in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Once you have achieved stiff peaks, gently fold the beaten egg whites mixture into the chocolate mixture, folding just until a few streaks remain. This step introduces air, making our mousse light and fluffy. Now in a separate bowl, it's time to whip up some cream. Take a cup of cream and add a teaspoon of vanilla. Begin to whip, and as you do, gradually add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Keep whipping until stiff peaks form. Adding whipped cream gives an extra layer of richness and creaminess to the texture. Once whipped to perfection, combine the whipped cream with the chocolate mixture. Fold them together gently to keep the mousse airy. Our chocolate mousse mixture now ready. Gently fill your serving glasses with this delightful mixture. After filling the glasses, place them in the refrigerator to chill. Chill the chocolate mousse until set about 4 hours or up to 2 days. The chilling period allows the mousse to firm up and develop its flavors fully. While our mousse is chilling, let's prepare some whipped cream for decoration. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of whipped cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now beat this mixture until it forms stiff peaks. This is the ideal consistency for piping, giving us a beautiful and professional finish for our dessert. Once mousse is set, it is time to add the final touch. Here I have used a piping bag to decorate the top of the mousse with our whipped cream. However, you can also simply add a spoonful of whipped cream on top for a more rustic charm. And for the finishing touch, garnish with shaved chocolate and fresh berries. Today I am using raspberries and blueberries, which not only add a pop of color but also a lovely burst of flavor complementing the rich chocolate. Just like that, our mousse is ready to serve. Dive into its creamy richness and let every spoonful delight your senses. If you enjoy this recipe, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment. Your feedback is always appreciated. Until next time, happy baking and take care. May your days be filled with sweetness and joy like our chocolate mousse.